talking about quick cards, I think the first thing is to pick a simple image that is quick to color and stamp. I'm using the Stampers Anonymous Tim Holtz, but I think any snowman that you have, I think would be really, really great. All you do is stamp it on a panel of cardstock and die cut it with whatever die you have after you stamp a sentiment. Color all your images the same very quickly, and then all you have to do is put it on a panel of colored cardstock that you have embossed. And this is inspired by Jennifer McGuire. And so in like less than a half an hour, I made, maybe not a half hour, maybe an hour, I made all of these cards. And so all I did to kind of make it a little bit fancier is I did use a 3D embossing folder, and I did some red stickles on the red nose and all the brim of the hat. And this one I did some diamond stickles. And in that quick, you can make a bunch of cards and get those out to friends and family